Are you looking for the best air purifier? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air purifier on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Levoit Core 400S Smart Air Purifier. The Levoit Core 400S Smart Air Purifier isn't trying to be anything fancy. It's a simple white cylinder with holes for air intake and a black ring of vents on top. Touch controls in the center of the vents are easy to suss out, letting you adjust the fan speed, enable auto mode and turn on a sleep setting, which drops the fan to the lowest intensity and shuts off the display lights. The internal sensor measures particulate matter at 2.5 microns, which displays in the center of a lighted ring near the controls. The ring turns blue when all is well and moves through to green, orange and red as air quality levels deteriorate. In auto mode, when it detects a drop in air quality, the fan increases speed until levels go back down. Even at its highest level, the fan isn't terribly loud, peaking at around 62 in the decibel meter app and leaving my cat undisturbed on the couch nearby. Yet the force of the air coming out is strong and feels on par with output from purifiers that are quite noisy, which made the cat run away. The Core 400S claims a half-hour air exchange rate for a 1,000 square foot room and combines the 3 main filter types, pre-filter, activated carbon and HEPA, into a single ring. Perhaps the best part is a replacement filter is only $50, half the price of some competing brands. In multiple burn tests, the Core 400S reliably got the room back to its starting level in about a half hour of running on high. Auto mode does a good job of reacting to drops in quality, kicking on to a higher fan level nearly every time someone in the house cooks and after an incense burn. This true HEPA air purifier connects to the V-Sync app. Setup is easy, but the app itself is overpacked. There's a forum, a wellness tab and a shopping page where you can buy not just Levoit products, but also devices from sister brands Atexity and others. But as far as controlling the Core 400S itself, the in-app controls are easy to use and nicely laid out. Number 2. Dyson Hushjet Purifier Compact. A word of caution, if you get this, you may find yourself wondering why the Hushjet has simply decided to turn itself off. When you hold your hand over the blue jets, you'll find that it is indeed still on, it's just gravely silent. So yes, Dyson's latest air purifier is aptly named. Even on the highest setting, the Hushjet is still quieter than most other purifiers I've tested, but the air coming out the top is forceful. But it's not only quiet, it also does a good job keeping the air clean in small spaces. Setup couldn't be easier, just download the Dyson app, sign in and hold your phone to the display. You can give Dyson your location to get outdoor air quality comparisons in the Data and Insights tab. There's a How to tab with videos on setup, replacing your filters and cleaning the machine. The app can also be used for a sleep timer and scheduling times and fan settings. The onboard particle meter enables an auto mode that'll kick in when pollutants are detected. I found it did a pretty good job of detecting smoke when I lit incense in an adjacent room. Throughout the week or so that I left it in auto mode, my AQ monitors stayed happily in the green, but when cooking smells or some other event dropped their levels, I noticed the purifier was almost always already on the job. As for the burn test, the Hushjet performed well in cleaning up both particulate and VOC levels, though the built-in PM meters seemed to exaggerate the pollutant levels, indicating far higher numbers than either of my control monitors. You'll have to decide for yourself if the aesthetic is for you. Both my husband and kids said, "Oh, from the future," when they saw it. And the shiny blue turbine nozzles do give off space traveler vibes. It comes in silver and white in addition to the black and blue of my review unit, and it only stands about 19 inches high, so it's not terribly intrusive, unlike the Quidditch goal post that was the Dyson Purifier Cool. There are onboard buttons and a small built-in display, but I found it far easier to just use the well-designed app. It's a bit pricey at $350, and the filter costs have yet to be determined. But the HEPA filter can go up to 5 years, depending on usage, so that's one less thing to think about. The carbon filter, however, does need to be replaced annually. Number 3. Windmill Air Purifier. If you've indicated any interest in air purifiers during your online travels, there's a good chance you've seen ads for Windmill. Like molecule machines from a couple of years ago, these things are, digitally, everywhere. A big part of the appeal is aesthetics. Windmill models come in white, navy or bamboo finishes and, instead of the usual cylindrical tower shape, these have a squat, oblong design. Air is only pulled in through one side, which happens to be the side opposite the controls, so you'll have to be careful about where you put it to ensure it gets enough airflow. It's also unusually heavy at 21 pounds. Models with similar room size ratings are often half that weight. The app is pretty spare, with fan and mode controls, along with a particle meter readout, a few device settings and automations for setting schedules. The device itself has buttons and LED pips for fan and mode control and a small indicator light that changes from green to red to signal the air quality. Windmill also uses PM only to gauge the air. In my tests, the Windmill more efficiently cleared the VOCs from the room when it was on lower fan settings. I suppose that makes sense in a way, as slower moving air spends more time passing through the carbon layer, which should theoretically trap more chemicals, but this was the only purifier I noticed that seemed to prove that theory. There's also a boost mode if you need to clear a bunch of air at once. It was one of the loudest fan speeds I tested, clocking in at 74 decibels on my sound meter app, but the lowest fan speed is inaudible. I appreciated that there are two sleep modes, whisper and white noise, with the latter setting the fan speed to what sounds like between medium and high and shuts off the LED lights. Both Blueair and the Levoit Core models performed better overall than the Windmill, and both are cheaper, but if having an air purifier that doesn't look like it belongs in a doctor's office is important to you, this is an attractive way to go. Number 4. Levoit Sprout Air Purifier. In January of this year, Levoit added this cute, kid-focused model to its air purifier lineup that already includes two of our top picks. The Levoit Sprout combines air purification with a night light and basic white noise functions in a petite package. The app gives you full control over the lights, sounds and purifier settings, but the onboard controls are equally effective, important for parents who need to quickly make bedtime adjustments without having to hunt down their phone. I set it up in my kids' room and was pleased with the simple but perfectly adequate sleep functions. Rain, waves, music and forest sounds can be combined with a soft amber light which you can set to turn off after a few minutes or up to an hour. And all the functions, from fan speed to light levels and sound, can be scheduled within the app as well. Of course, these features would be pointless if the air purification wasn't up to snuff, but in my testing, it was able to clear out the incense smoke from a bedroom as quickly as larger machines. Possibly my favorite part of the machine is the internal air quality sensor. Most purifiers with an auto setting just detect particulate matter. This one measures particulates in 3 different micron measurements as well as VOCs, humidity, temperature, and CO2 levels. After cooking, when my AQ monitor showed VOC levels spiking, other purifiers blissfully thought all was well, but the Sprout's auto setting kicked the purifier into high gear. At $280, it's actually more expensive than its bigger sibling, our top pick the Levoit Core 400S, but that model lacks the extra sensors and the charming sleep functions. Number 5. Blueair Bluepure 311 iMax. Figuring out whether slick marketing terms translate to actual performance is a big part of testing gadgets. Blueair's buzz term is HEPA silent, a process that adds an electrostatic charge to particles that enter the filter. The particles are then more apt to cling to the multi-surface structure of the filter and become trapped. Because the pollutants are stickier, the filter itself is less dense, so the fan doesn't need to work as hard to pull the air through, and the fan is the noisy part of any purifier. In my testing, the Blueair Bluepure 311 iMax did outperform other models when it came to reducing PM levels after an incense burn. It wasn't quite as good at lowering the VOC levels compared to other units, however, landing somewhere in the middle of the results range. The device itself has an attractive, minimalistic design. Instead of an all-plastic tower, the Bluepure has a softer appearance thanks to the mesh fabric pre-filter that covers the bottom 3/4. Pre-filters are an air purifier's first line of defense, catching the biggest bits like pet hair and larger dust specks, so it's nice that this one is vacuumable, removable, and even washable. I tested the standard filter model, but Blueair also sells filters for specific pollutants, one for dust and one for allergens. The smoke-focused model has more activated carbon, which could help it remove VOCs better. But, instead of $50 a pop, those filters are $65 and $70 a piece, respectively. Both the onboard controls and the app are no frills, letting you control the fan speed and turn on the sleep or auto mode. Like other air purifiers, the included sensor relies on elevated particulate matter to kick in the automatic cleaning mode. In addition to scheduling, the app can also detect when you're on the way home and start up the machine before you arrive. That means giving the app location permissions that it uses at all times, not just when you're using the app, which could be a battery drain on your phone. The price is reasonable at $230, but the overall filtering performance of the Levoit Core 400S was slightly better, leading me to keep it in its top spot on our list. Still, there's a lot to like about Blueair.